Imagine holding a device in your hands that redefines what a tablet can truly achieve, a machine that combines sleek design, raw power, and cutting-edge technology into one seamless package. This is the Apple iPad Pro M5, a device engineered for those who refuse to compromise on performance, creativity, and productivity. From the moment you power it on, the iPad Pro M5 commands attention, not just for its elegant design and slim, lightweight form, but for the powerhouse that lies within. The groundbreaking Apple M5 chip, a processor that brings laptop-level performance to a tablet, ensuring that every task, no matter how demanding, is handled effortlessly. Multitasking becomes fluid as multiple apps open instantly, large files process without delay, and graphics-intensive programs run smoothly. Whether you are editing 4K videos, designing intricate digital illustrations, rendering 3D models, or analyzing complex data spreadsheets, the Liquid Retina XDR display transforms the viewing experience, offering vibrant, true-to-life colors, deep contrasts, and exceptional brightness that ensures every detail is visible even under harsh sunlight, making it perfect for creators, professionals, and casual users alike. Promotion technology adds a layer of fluidity to every interaction, making scrolling, swiping, gaming, and drawing feel silky smooth and incredibly responsive, while True Tone ensures colors remain accurate in any environment. The Apple Pencil is more than a stylus. It is an extension of your hand, offering unparalleled precision, sensitivity, and responsiveness that allows artists, designers, and note-takers to create with incredible accuracy. Whether sketching, annotating documents, or crafting detailed digital art, iPadOS 17 enhances this ecosystem further, introducing smarter multitasking tools, intuitive gestures, Stage Manager for window management, split view for efficient work, and improved file organization, turning the iPad Pro M5 into a productivity powerhouse that rivals traditional laptops. Connectivity options have also been upgraded to match its performance, featuring ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E and optional 5G for uninterrupted streaming, fast downloads, and smooth online collaboration, while the Thunderbolt/USB 4 port allows users to connect professional-grade accessories, external displays, and storage devices, creating a flexible workspace for work, play, and creativity. The camera system is nothing short of revolutionary, with advanced sensors, a LiDAR scanner, and center stage technology that keeps you perfectly framed during video calls, enabling stunning photography, precise AR experiences, professional quality video recording, and immersive creative applications that transform how we interact with digital content. Security is also top-notch, with Face ID providing fast, secure authentication for unlocking your device, authorizing purchases, and protecting personal data, ensuring peace of mind while maintaining convenience. Storage options are generous, offering ample space to store massive creative libraries, videos, apps, and documents, eliminating the need to constantly offload files and keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Despite all this power, the iPad Pro M5 remains remarkably portable, allowing you to carry a device capable of professional-grade performance in a lightweight and elegant form factor that is perfect for students, professionals, creatives, and anyone who values mobility. Battery life is optimized to support long hours of productivity, creativity, and entertainment without constant recharging, ensuring that you remain connected and productive throughout your day. Gaming on the iPad Pro M5 is an entirely new experience, with ultra-smooth frame rates, vivid graphics, responsive touch controls, and the processing power to handle the most demanding titles, rivaling even some dedicated gaming consoles. Augmented reality experiences are brought to life thanks to the combination of the M5 chip and LiDAR scanner, enabling users to visualize objects in 3D space, create immersive experiences, design virtual layouts, and interact with digital elements in ways that feel incredibly real. Audio performance matches the visual and processing power, with high-fidelity speakers and spatial audio creating a cinematic soundstage, making music, movies, and games sound more dynamic, immersive, and lifelike. For professionals, the iPad Pro M5 is a true creative companion, allowing designers, video editors, musicians, and digital artists to work anywhere with unparalleled efficiency and accuracy, combining hardware and software that are optimized to complement each other perfectly. Students benefit from its portability, powerful performance, and feature-rich ecosystem, enabling efficient study, collaboration, creativity, and productivity in a single device. Video conferencing has never been better, with center stage and crystal clear microphones delivering natural, engaging, and professional communication for remote work or virtual learning. Every swipe, tap, and interaction has been meticulously designed to feel intuitive, fluid, and responsive, ensuring that using the iPad Pro M5 is not just productive but enjoyable and immersive. Despite its extensive capabilities, the iPad Pro M5 maintains a minimalist, elegant design that makes it not only powerful but also a pleasure to use and carry. Its combination of performance, portability, and premium design sets a new benchmark for tablets, proving that this is not just a device, but a complete ecosystem for work, play, creativity, and entertainment. From professional-grade design and 3D rendering to high-end gaming, content consumption, and AR experiences, the iPad Pro M5 transforms what we expect from a tablet and opens doors to endless possibilities. In a world where speed, efficiency, creativity, and versatility are paramount, the Apple iPad Pro M5 stands alone, offering unmatched performance, revolutionary design, and a seamless experience that empowers users to push boundaries, unlock potential, and achieve more. Whether you are a professional seeking a portable workstation, a student looking for a device that can handle everything from study to entertainment, or a creator ready to bring ideas to life with precision and speed, the iPad Pro M5 delivers it all. It is a device that exceeds expectations at every turn, combining cutting-edge hardware, intelligent software, stunning visuals, remarkable connectivity, professional-grade cameras, and long-lasting battery life, all in a slim, elegant form factor that is as stylish as it is powerful. Once you experience the unmatched performance, responsiveness, and versatility of the Apple iPad Pro M5, it becomes clear why this device is considered the pinnacle of modern tablet technology, a tool that not only keeps up with the demands of today, but is also ready to shape the innovations of tomorrow, offering an experience that is both transformative and inspiring. From the first glance to the most intensive task, the iPad Pro M5 proves that Apple continues to lead the industry, creating devices that are not only functional but revolutionary, enabling users to work smarter, create faster, and enjoy richer experiences than ever before. And once you unlock its potential, you realize this is truly a tablet without limits, a device where performance meets perfection, and a technology marvel that sets the standard for years to come.